So just your thoughts about Marcon, particularly the Marcon Conference 2012. What are your thoughts?
It's very good to begin with because first of all we have to understand that it's a working day. And on a working day, it's very rare that you see a lot of professionals coming out from their jobs and coming to attend. And it's a day conference, it's not a 1 hour or 2 hour conference. And still a lot of people are still there. Plus the quality of the speakers. I have been to Marcon for like since 5 years. I have been coming to all those events. And this is very good because a lot of professional speakers are there this time. And all of them are well achievers in their respective industries. And all of them have too much of a wealth of experience to share. And it's very good for students especially because I see a lot of students there as well. So it is good for them that they get to know the practical aspect of the real job which they'll enter into after a couple of years.
And what did you think about just the general caliber of speakers that were here today? Like you said, some of the luminaries within the industry that we had who took time out of their day, who took time out of their busy schedules to come here and present for, like you said, a lot of people are students here.
Yeah. The other advantage what I found out that I get to meet a lot of my friends. We don't usually meet quite often. So a lot of my IB alumni was there. A lot of friends from other companies were there. So it's a nice get together. It's a nice social networking as well. We get to know a lot of people whom we have met in the last Marcon. So reconnecting
of course.
Old contact. So in this context, it's also a good opportunity for everybody to join in.
It's sort of a everybody benefits type of situation.
Yeah, because it's good for the organizers, it's good for the participants because the quality of knowledge which we will take out at the end of the day would be of great value.
And if you had to change one thing, or if you had any suggestions about next year, what they could do to maybe be different, what would you recommend? Any suggestions? What would you like to see? What would you like to?
This would be a big place. This time around the response was very good. So this place feels like too much crowded.
Yeah.
So otherwise it's okay because this time it was Terrabins was involved. So obviously they managed it quite well, unlike in the past. And invitations were rolled out quite earlier. So we could plan it ahead like 1 month earlier in our calendars.
So you think logistically they could make a few changes, but in terms of presentation and caliber of content, it's all been great.
And there's a room for improvement every year. So one has to just keep reaching for the stars.
Well, thank you very much. Very kind of you. Thank you.